Periodic trends, Ionic radii. The definition of ionic radii is that it is the same size of the atom after it becomes an ion, meaning that it loses or gains electrons to add or lose an orbital, thus changing the size. An ion is an atom or group of atoms that has a positive or negative charge. A cation is an ion with a positive charge, and an anion is an ion with a negative charge. Metal elements lose valence electrons to form cation ions. Cation ionic radii are always smaller than atomic radii. Nonmetal elements gain valence electrons to form anion ions. Anion ionic radii are always larger than atomic radii. Here's a picture below for some relative sizes of some atoms and their ions. The trend for the ionic radii is for cations and anions to increase going down the periodic table. The reason is that there are more electrons and more protons while going down a column. Going across the period, the metals go from large ionic radii to small ionic radii, and the metals go from large ionic radii to small ionic radii as well. Metals ionic radii versus atomic radii. The reason is that the last metal has lost the most electrons and therefore has the smallest ionic radii. Nonmetals ionic radii versus atomic radii. The reason is that there is decreasing number of electrons added. Therefore, the ionic radii is smaller.